Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the dazzling world of automotive opulence with Billionaires' most expensive cars, the ultimate luxury collection. Ever wondered what the world's richest people drive? From ultra-rare Bugattis to custom-made Rolls-Royces, Billionaires own some of the most jaw-dropping, high-end cars on the planet. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the top 5 most expensive cars owned by Billionaires. A collection that's not just about transportation, but about power, prestige, and pure automotive excellence. Our countdown begins with a masterpiece that has redefined the meaning of exclusivity and design. At number 5, we have the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. This ultra-rare supercar is the epitome of art meeting engineering. With a design that exudes raw energy and elegance, the Zonda HP Barchetta is celebrated for its open-top configuration and breathtaking performance figures. Its sculpted lines, aerodynamic body, and advanced materials like carbon fiber and titanium make it a visual and technical marvel. Every detail, from the hand-finished interior to the meticulously tuned engine, is a testament to Pagani's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Next, a car that embodies the spirit of Italian performance and design, the Ferrari Monza SP2. Inspired by the legendary Barchetta racers of the 1950s, the Monza SP2 brings together a nostalgic aesthetic with modern engineering. Ferrari has poured passion and innovation into every inch of this limited edition model. Its aggressive curves and aerodynamic form are paired with a roaring V12 engine, creating an intoxicating blend of beauty and raw power. This car isn't just about speed, it's a moving sculpture that pays homage to Ferrari's storied racing heritage while showcasing the brand's forward-thinking approach. Moving on to number 3, we present the Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, a hypercar that celebrates Lamborghini's bold and fearless approach to design. Born from the passion of Lamborghini's 50th anniversary, the Veneno Roadster is a rare spectacle on the roads. Its futuristic aesthetics, with angular lines and aggressive styling cues, immediately capture your attention. Underneath its striking exterior lies an engine engineered for extreme performance, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a driving experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. This car is a symbol of Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of innovation and is coveted by collectors around the globe for its rarity and avant-garde design. At number 2, we have a car that redefines speed and luxury in a way few others can, the Bugatti Centodieci. Bugatti has always been synonymous with pushing the limits of what's possible, and the Centodieci is no exception. Celebrating Bugatti's illustrious heritage, this limited edition masterpiece pays tribute to one of the brand's most iconic models. With a design that effortlessly blends modern aesthetics with timeless elegance, the Centodieci boasts a powerful engine that can unleash staggering performance on demand. Every detail, from its meticulously crafted bodywork to its bespoke interior finishes, is designed for the discerning billionaire who demands nothing but the best. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the undisputed icon of luxury and performance, the Rolls-Royce Sweptail. This car is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of ultimate opulence and individualized craftsmanship. Inspired by the luxury yachts of the early 20th century, the Sweptail's design is a seamless blend of classic elegance and contemporary sophistication. Its bespoke features are custom-tailored to the owner's specifications, ensuring that no two Sweptails are exactly alike. With hand-finished interiors, rare materials, and an attention to detail that borders on perfection, the Rolls-Royce Sweptail is the ultimate expression of luxury. It is a rare gem reserved only for those who truly appreciate the art of automotive design at its finest. Each of these 5 extraordinary vehicles isn't merely a car. They are rolling works of art that embody the passion, innovation, and exclusivity that define the lifestyles of the world's richest individuals. From the dynamic lines of the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta to the bespoke elegance of the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, Every car in this collection tells a unique story of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge engineering. Billionaires don't just buy cars, they invest in pieces of art that represent their success and vision. These vehicles are more than just modes of transportation. They are statements of power and symbols of prestige that command attention wherever they go. Whether it's the roar of a Ferrari's engine, the sleek silhouette of a Lamborghini, or the unmistakable aura of a Bugatti, each car on our list has been carefully crafted to inspire awe and admiration. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look into the top 5 most expensive cars owned by billionaires. Which of these automotive masterpieces would you choose if you had the opportunity? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and dream car wishes. And if you found this video as thrilling as we did, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of luxury and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ultimate luxury collection. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we explore more facets of the high-end automotive world and the lifestyles of the elite. Until next time, keep dreaming big and remember, luxury isn't just about what you drive, it's about the story you tell.